Hey guys, Jackson here, and today I'm here with the Hailfire. Let me stick the mag out real quick. Hold on. Alright, so I have like something like really cool that you can do with the Hailfire. So,
hi, my name's Grayson.
alright, so if you hold down the rev trigger and hold down that and let go of the rev trigger, as you can see. Like this, if you like take off all the way, you can't do it anymore. But hold on the rev trigger, pull back on the actual trigger, and it'll just stay locked in. And the other thing is, so you don't have to do that. So you don't actually have to hold on. Hold on.
My mom hurts. Can you heal her with crystals?
Karen, I'm fine. I'm just here from my carpal tunnel syndrome. I got hair.
One second, I need to put my
Especially when you have a freeloading friend like Sandy. You know, if you do something, you don't feel like you're gonna.
Oh, Clem. Oh, my sweet boy. I've been waiting for you.
That was tiring.
Clarence.
Alright, let me go.
Candy.
Yeah, it sure does. Okay, tell
And
me
also
what.
a different way to load your mags is like take the darts like this,
When we leave, if you behave.
and just kind of like line them up like this, and just kind of push down on them and reload really fast. Alright, so let's test this out. Let's see if it actually works. Sadly, it does not work. So yeah, that's one cool tip about the Hailfire.
I don't think that C is an
If you
angle.
want to see different things with other Nerf blasters, just tell me in the comments. Besides that, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. You couldn't see anything.